Okay, Mr. Ghani, please retell the text is about Florence Nightingale with the help of the five-finger retelling.
The character of the story. The character of the story is Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale. Where is the story?
The story takes place
the story takes place in Italy.
in Italy.
Italy. The problem of the story. The problem of the story. If is later.
No, Florence dreamt about becoming a nurse. Nurse. What does it mean, nurse? Nurse деген не? Medbike. Okay. And then, at the age of the 35, she
At the age of
her dream came true. And she started working
in the hospital.
In hospital, yes, in a hospital. A few later, she heard about war.
Southern in the stop of the story.
She wanted to help injured soldiers. Yes, yes. Florence was very dedicated to her work. Yes. What does it mean, dedicated?
Dedicated арналған.
Арналған. Өзінің өмірін неге арнады? Жұмысына арналды. And she worked all through night, yes? And going around the hospital with the lamp, yes? And that is why people called her lady with the lamp. Okay.